General Smamane album le ini angazi ngisayikhumbula igama layo leya last year kodwa le ine-20 rand lenozunqumalo aze ngikhokhela imali yami ngiyayifuna imali yami nawo Smamane Cape Master Camp yakithi album yami leya ibhalwe yimi producer yimina ngiyayifuna imali yami abaningi abantu abangikoletayo futhi lapha abanye ngibakhumbulishwa amagama yabo laba ngendlela abazenza ngazo baze bangishaya bangigcoba ngemithi bangithakatha bro ukuze bengihypnotize ngingaboni ukuthi ngisebenza nobani ubani engikhuluma naye kwayena lo tira wakhona naye angikhokhelanga imali yami for lama-album awu-3 awakhiphe last year 3 ama-projects awakhiphe last year angikhokhelanga imali yami kunengoma engiyiproducile yathatha Song of the Year angikhokhelanga imali yami so please ngiyayifuna imali yami imali enjani engapheli ngiyayifuna imali yami.